The powerful fruits that shrink your prostate, a secret no one tells you. Have you ever had a night like this? You're lying next to your sleeping wife, but it's the fourth time you've shot out of bed before dawn. You rush to the bathroom, only to find that the stream is weak, just a trickle. You think you're done, but the feeling comes right back. You return to bed, tossing and turning, and finally end up just staring at the ceiling. Back to back with your wife, waiting for the sun to rise. My name is Dr. Susan. As a urologist for over 30 years, I've met countless patients. And I've learned something that breaks my heart. I've seen how these seemingly small symptoms drain a man's energy and, little by little, create a painful distance between him and his partner. Do you just accept it, thinking, this is just part of getting older? It doesn't have to be. The truth is, this nightly battle with the bathroom, the constant fatigue during the day, and that subtle distance you feel from your wife. It might not just be age. It could be a secret SOS signal from your prostate. But here's the good news. You can make a real difference without surgery or expensive medication. Just by using a few common fruits you probably have in your kitchen right now. Did you know that? In this video, I'm going to reveal all of them. And at the very end, I'll share a little secret. I give my own patients a simple trick to help you fall asleep soundly in minutes. If you're tired of turning your back to your wife at night, if you want to end the constant trips to the bathroom, please hit that like and subscribe button right now. And if this resonates with you, let me know in the comments by writing, "Thank you, Susan. Your support means the world to me." Alright, let's get started. Before we dive into the fruits, we need to understand why this tiny gland can disrupt a man's entire life. Understanding the cause is half the battle. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder, wrapping around the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. Though small, it plays a huge role in controlling urine flow and producing seminal fluid. It's small but mighty. The problem is, as men age, the prostate starts to assert itself. Behind this issue lies the complex world of hormones. After 50, a man's testosterone levels begin to decline. But ironically, another hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, becomes more active. Like a rogue builder, DHT starts enlarging the prostate, even though no one asked it to. As the walnut-sized prostate swells, it presses on the bladder and squeezes the urethra, making it difficult to urinate freely. A patient of mine, a 59-year-old truck driver named Charlie, told me he had to stop at a rest area every 30 minutes. He was sleep-deprived, exhausted during the day, and terrified his lack of focus would cause an accident. I'll never forget the look on his face when he sighed and asked me, "Am I finished as a man?" It's not just physical. The lack of sleep and energy chips away at your confidence, leading to less conversation with your wife and, often, a decline in intimacy. The saddest moment for me is when a patient, like a 65-year-old retired teacher named Billy, looked down at the floor and said, "I don't even feel like a man anymore." But I can tell you with absolute certainty the difference between a man exhausted by nightly bathroom trips and a man who wakes up refreshed and happy is not luck. It's knowledge. The path to a healthy prostate isn't complicated. You can make a huge difference with a few simple fruits from your kitchen. 1. The guardian tomato. The first fruit I want to talk about is the tomato. We see them every day, but do we think of them as more than just a salad ingredient or a garnish? Tomatoes are a treasure chest for men's health over 50. Why? Because they are packed with a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene is a superstar at reducing inflammation, protecting cells from damage, and specifically, supporting prostate health. A major study from Harvard University found that men who regularly consumed lycopene had a significantly lower risk of developing an enlarged prostate. But here's the secret most people don't know. Eating raw tomatoes won't give you the full benefit. Your body can't absorb the lycopene efficiently. Richard, a 61-year-old chef, asked me, drive. Susan, I eat tomatoes every day. Why don't I see any effect? It turned out he was only eating them raw. You must cook your tomatoes. Heating them in a soup or a sauce activates the lycopene, making it much easier for your body to absorb. A warm bowl of homemade tomato soup is more than just delicious. It's natural medicine that strengthens your prostate, helps you sleep, and restores your confidence. A quick warning: avoid canned tomato products or juices with added sugar and preservatives. Making your own from fresh tomatoes is always safer and more effective. 2. The cleanser watermelon. If the tomato is a sturdy guardian, our next fruit is like a refreshing cleanser for your system. Watermelon. On a hot summer day, nothing beats a slice of cool watermelon. But it's more than just sweet water. Like tomatoes, watermelon is also rich in lycopene. It helps soothe inflammation in the prostate, improve blood circulation, and reduce those frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom. A fascinating study from Japan compared men living in rural areas to those in the city. The rural men, who ate fresh watermelon regularly, experienced nearly 20% fewer instances of nighttime urination and the feeling of an incomplete bladder. That may not sound like much, but for someone waking up 4 times a night, reducing that to 3 can dramatically improve your quality of life. A quick warning: avoid sprinkling sugar on your watermelon. Eat it plain and fresh. That's how you get its natural healing power for your prostate and your blood vessels. 3. The Royal Protector pomegranate. Next up is the pomegranate. Beautiful to look at and sweet to taste. This fruit is essential when we talk about prostate health. Those tiny, ruby red seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds are incredible at calming inflammation and balancing male hormones. As we age, hormonal imbalances cause the prostate to grow. But pomegranate acts as a powerful shield. A Korean study found that men in their late 50s with prostate issues who drank pomegranate juice daily saw a significant drop in their PSA, prostate-specific antigen levels. A lower PSA is a key indicator of improved prostate health. A quick warning: not all pomegranates are equal. Look for heavy ones with thin, taut skin. And if you buy juice, make sure it is 100% pure juice with no added sugar. Sugary drinks can actually worsen inflammation. 4. The immune booster blueberry. This small, blueberry is a powerful defender of your body's immune system. For men over 50, blueberries are practically essential. They are packed with anthocyanins, the compound that gives them their deep blue-purple color. Anthocyanins are fantastic at fighting chronic inflammation and protecting cells from aging and damage. As we get older, our immune system weakens, making us more vulnerable. Blueberries are a huge help. They are also incredibly versatile. Add them to your sugar-free yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious and healthy boost. A quick warning: stay away from sugary blueberry syrups or jellies. The high sugar content can be a poison pill for your blood pressure and blood sugar. A patient of mine, David, was eating preserved blueberries and saw no results. Once he switched to fresh ones, he told me his bathroom trips decreased and his daytime energy returned. 5. The digestive link kiwi. Now, for a fruit that's more powerful than you think: kiwi. As we age, our digestion slows down. Nutrients aren't absorbed as well, leaving us feeling tired. Kiwis contain a natural enzyme called actinidin and are full of fiber, which helps your digestive system run smoothly. You might wonder, what does digestion have to do with my prostate? Everything is connected. A healthy gut ensures that your body can actually absorb all the wonderful nutrients from the other fruits. We're talking about the lycopene from tomatoes, the anthocyanins from blueberries. Kiwi is the bridge that makes everything else work better. Plus, kiwis, especially the golden variety, are bursting with vitamin C, a crucial weapon for your immune system. 6. The soothing cleaner papaya. Many think of papaya as just a sweet dessert fruit, but it's a powerful cleaner for your insides. Papaya contains a natural digestive enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins, making it a great choice for those who feel heavy or bloated after meals. More importantly, papaya helps soothe the micro-inflammation hidden inside your body. Most chronic diseases that appear after 50, diabetes, high blood pressure, and even prostate issues, have inflammation at their root. Regularly eating anti-inflammatory foods like papaya can make a world of difference for your overall health. Enjoy a few slices after lunch or dinner. It's sweet, soft, and a gentle, natural medicine. 7. The everyday warrior apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It sounds like an old saying, but modern science backs it up. Apples are silent warriors fighting inflammation deep inside your body. Apples contain a special compound called quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that calms chronic inflammation. This inflammation is the quiet starting point for so many major health issues. A daily apple helps put out those silent fires. Pro tip: most of the quercetin is in the peel, so wash it well and eat the whole thing. The quercetin in the peel and the soluble fiber in the flesh work together to lower bad cholesterol and keep your blood vessels clean. 8. The bladder's bodyguard cranberry. Next is the cranberry. This little fruit is a health weapon for both men and women over 50. As the prostate enlarges, it can affect the bladder and urethra, making urinary tract infections (UTIs) more common. These infections are persistent and can ruin your quality of life. Here's why cranberries are amazing: they contain proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your bladder. They create a non-stick surface, so bacteria get flushed out before an infection can start. A quick warning: this is critical. Most cranberry juices and dried cranberries are loaded with sugar. You must choose unsweetened products. Add a small amount of pure cranberry juice to water or sprinkle a few unsweetened dried cranberries on your yogurt. 9. The age-defier raspberry. These beautiful berries do more than just decorate a dessert. They play a huge role in fighting aging from the inside out. Raspberries contain a special compound called ellagic acid. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals, the culprits behind aging and chronic disease. Raspberries are your shield. They are also a low glycemic fruit, making them a great choice for managing blood sugar and weight. 10. The circulation champions, oranges and tangerines. Finally, let's talk about oranges and tangerines. We all know they're full of vitamin C, which is essential for immunity. But I want to highlight another compound, hesperidin. Hesperidin is found mostly in the peel and the white pith. It strengthens blood vessel walls and improves blood flow throughout your body. Think of it as a maintenance crew for your entire circulatory system, from your heart to your brain, and yes, to your prostate. A simple orange in the morning or a few tangerine slices after lunch can be your invisible shield against aging and disease. Bringing it all together, your fruit game plan. Okay, we've covered a lot of fruits. Now, let's create a simple plan. Think of it like an orchestra. Each fruit is a powerful instrument, but together, they create a beautiful symphony of health. For antioxidant power, focus on tomatoes, watermelon, pomegranates, and berries. For blood sugar control, choose low glycemic fruits like apples, kiwis, berries, and oranges. Be mindful with higher sugar fruits like watermelon. Moderation is key. Cooked versus raw. Remember to cook tomatoes. Enjoy berries, apples, and kiwis fresh to preserve their vitamins and enzymes. The 3 common mistakes to avoid. I see these mistakes all the time in my practice. Please avoid them. 1. Eating fruit late at night. After 9 p.m. your metabolism is slowing down for rest. The natural sugars in fruit are more likely to be stored as fat, which can disrupt hormone balance and sleep. 2. Overeating high-sugar fruits. Fruits like bananas, grapes, and even large amounts of watermelon can spike your blood sugar. This can lead to hormonal imbalances that put stress on your prostate. 3. Drinking commercial fruit juice. Even 100% natural juice is often stripped of fiber and vitamins during processing and loaded with sugar. It can be a poison for your blood sugar and liver. Always choose the whole fruit over the juice. A story of hope. Joshua's transformation. I want to end with a story. This is about Joshua, a 58-year-old man. A year ago, Joshua was getting up 3 to 4 times a night. He was exhausted and had no energy to play with his grandkids. He had resigned himself to just getting old. Then, he heard about the power of these fruits and decided to make a change. He started his day with kiwi in his yogurt. He had a tomato salad for lunch. He swapped his evening glass of wine for a few slices of orange. That's it. No new exercise routine, no pills. He just changed what he ate. In just 3 months, the change was incredible. His nightly bathroom trips dropped dramatically. He woke up feeling refreshed. But the most touching part came from his wife. She told me, "My husband used to be so irritable and tired. Now, he's laughing again. He plays with our grandkids. The other day, he even asked me to go for an evening walk with him. I can't tell you how grateful I am for that." Joshua's story shows us that small choices on our plate can change our entire lives. Your health is not determined by your age. It's determined by the small choices you start making today. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself. You just need to give it the right tools. The information I shared today isn't just a list of fruits. It's a collection of small, powerful actions that can bring the light back into your life. This is my sincere hope for you. I truly believe your today and your tomorrow can be healthier and happier. If this video touched your heart, please share your story in the comments. Your experiences build this community. And by subscribing and hitting that like button, you walk this journey with me, and I promise to bring you more valuable health stories. Thank you so much for being here today. I wish you a day full of health and joy.